So we created a symbol table here where we have the director information. And these are two columns. What if we want to build a data set with 100 columns? Do we have to build individual lists for all those columns? This is why I want to introduce you to this method here. First of all, we build an empty list. Let me go into using a for loop here, like we did above. Now we want to build our headers. Want information for the headers. Want to automatically extract the header information, the names here, that we don't have to write all the headers here by hand. Right. So we build a list for the headers. Now we want to populate the list. So we're going to extract the header information from the table, but we want the first row. Right, so we are not going to use the find all because we just want the first row in the first table that we extract. The rows are in the tr tags. And now we want the contents of the header row. So this is the header, the table row here for the headers. And inside we have the cell contents here that are inside the th tags. All the information is inside the th tags. So we extract the th tags. There we go. All right. Right. So now want to add these contents here to the list. We do this headers, put append, header.text. Right, want the text information. Let's go for the rows. It's now the rest of the rows. So we say for row, inside the table, we do find all now. All the rows they are in the tr tag. But don't forget, the header is in the first row. So do a find all, will return all the rows, including the rows for the header. So we do indexing. We start from row number 2 going to all the other rows. Let's create a list again for these contents. Right. So now we have the rows. And we have built a list. We want to add all the information for the rows. Now I want to extract the cell contents for the columns here in the rows here. Let's have a look. So the table row is made up of th, td, td tag, the other td tag. So there are th and td tags, as opposed to the header. We just have the th rows. The other cell contents, all the other contents, if you check, we have the td and the th tags. So we extract, use a for loop again for all columns, row.find and all. So we build a list here because we want more than one tag. We have the th and the td tag. We now add information here. Okay, so now let's build a dictionary. We now have the headers and the rows here, the values here. So it's episode, so for every header in index I, like for header at number 1, we want it to map it to value at index I again. For the headers in index number 1, we want also the value for index number 1. So we use this for loop here, for I inside this range here. Right. So we have the dictionary. Now let's add our dictionary to the list. The episode, that is the main list. It's episode dictionary. Alright. There we go. So now we have the list for all the episodes, all the information, the headers and all the raw and the cell contents here. Now let's build our data frame using pandas. So pd dot data frame episodes. Alright. Oh, I'm supposed to put a calculator. Let's call our data frame df. Right. There we go. df is equals to pd.dataframe episodes. Let's have a look. Just a few details. The top 5 by using the head. So you see that we've managed to build a dataset. And all the columns here, you can have a look. You now have all these columns here as they are on the Wikipedia page here. And this is all the information that we have managed to populate. But I think this is a small data set, so then you can actually print the full data set. So this is here. Our data set is 67 rows and 7 columns. So I want to see the bottom data frame. So the bottom data frame here, number and season 66. Here the number and season is number 7 here. Alright. So you can see the other numbering that we have here. It's just that pandas data frame has its own indexing. So if you want to remove this indexing here, we can do that using pandas, but it's not the focus of this course. If you can check this is the final season here, number 7. Let's have a look here. The final episode is called The Dragon and the Wolf. And this is here. So we are done with building this dataset using Wikipedia. Thank you.